Aloha friends, and welcome back to our permaculture project here in Costa Rica. So permaculture is always about efficiency and less input, more outputs. So the idea was normally to build a big greenhouse here, at least like a rain cover on the top. But then I spotted this part of the garden here, which was not really used. That's why I installed the vegetable garden right in here, because the trees act like a climate buffer, so they buffer the rain, the strong rainfall, but also sunlight. So we create a microclimate in here, a little shade, half shade, perfect light for most plants to grow. So you amplify the whole system with hibiscus around, like a structural hedge, which is quite not so dense. You can just leave it open, cut it out, thin it out a bit, so the light is nice penetrating in. There's some airflow as well inside, but at least covers the whole system, keeps it close. Here we have some bananas. The banana leaves, of course, take a lot of rain impact as well off the plants. They're going to grow over it, like high up here, and filter a bit the sun. On the top part of here, we put a coconut plant. So it's going to be like a coconut palm tree, which is going to be really up here, up into the sky, big coconut. So filtering the sunlight, buffering again the climate, the heat, cooling the whole system down. Everything else looks nice. Things are sprouting. Bit fight always with the ants here in the systems and the tropics. You see the herbal spiral. Here's a central element. Here we have some spices. Tried some thyme. We have rosemary on the top. These are the drier, more sun-exposed areas here. A lot of drainage, a lot of sand and gravel. Then here in the bottom we have cress and mint. Also absolute permaculture classic. Mint also is good as a pest repellent, the scent, and of course really good for refreshing lemonades for the summer. Then here the new fields, all seeded out. We have some frijoles, like beans, maize in between, some salads, all lettuces underneath, some carrots here to structure the soil. This is going to be our next project. And some lemongrass in the corner again as a pest repellent. Everything that smells good, like all nice, is good against most pests, insects. So we have lemongrass in the corner. And here in the front part I have some calendula. Here in the corner here planted some here. Also here somewhere in the beds here on the end. So calendula the same, it's a pest repellent. A flower attracts pollinators, and the roots help against a lot of root diseases. Yeah, that's a little update here on the project. You see how it's going. So do the same and keep growing. Yoo-hoo.